Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to answer the question, which is the topic: can you transfer money from Venmo to PayPal? Can you transfer money from Venmo to PayPal? And the answer is yes and no. Yes, in the aspect that you can do a transfer. No, that it's not a direct transfer. What do I mean? While there isn't a direct way to transfer money from Venmo to PayPal, there are a couple of methods you can use as workaround. For example, using a linked bank account. Link the same bank account to both Venmo and PayPal accounts. This usually takes a few days for verification. So the next thing you do is to transfer the money from your Venmo account to your linked bank account. You can choose between a standard transfer, which is 1 to 3 days, 1 to 3 business days and is free, or an instant transfer, which is usually within minutes, with a 1.75% fee, minimum of $0.25 and a maximum of $25. Once the money is in your bank account, transfer it to your PayPal account. Your PayPal account, choose the option to add money and select your linked bank account. Standard transfers to PayPal are typically free but can take 3 to 5 business days. You can also use Visa Plus instead of using your bank account. It is potentially faster to use Visa Plus. Set up a Visa Plus pay name in both your Venmo and PayPal accounts. There is a unique handle that allows you to send and receive money between the platforms. In your Venmo app, go to the Me tab, then tap on Settings, which is a gear icon, and tap Send Money to PayPal. Enter the recipient's PayPal pay name and the amount you want to send. Confirm the payment and send. Transfers via Visa Plus can take up to 30 minutes. There are generally no transfer fees for sending money between PayPal and Venmo using Visa Plus, but you must consider the fees, especially for instant transfers or Venmo. Then, when it comes to transfer of time, standard transfers can take several business days to process. If you need money quickly, use instant transfer with a fee, or Visa Plus might be a better option. If you're dealing with different currencies, PayPal will handle conversion and additional fees may apply. Ensure both your Venmo and PayPal accounts are verified for smooth transfers.